Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to add friends in Clash Royale. There are two different ways in order for you to do that. First is you need to click the friends icon that you can see here, and then after clicking this, click the invite friend. Once you click the invite friend, Clash Royale will generate a invite link that is linked to your profile. And once you choose a messaging application here, it will be shared to your friends. Next step is you can also add friends using Supercell by clicking the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen and then selecting Supercell ID. Once you select Supercell ID, it will show this pop-up where you can add your friends by sharing your QR code or scanning their QR code and also sharing your link to your profile. And that's how you can add your friends in Clash Royale. And thank you for listening.